then say input A.
Oh, I also. Oh, okay. Rush program.
Where's the IO?
Yeah.
Here.
How do you get the
So program, scroll over to IO, input, and then hit A. So the first line should say input A. The next line, you just type in 0, store into K. That makes sure that K has a 0.
What?
K is going to be a counting variable, so we want to start it at 0. And then we can count with it.
IO. Just hit A. Just hit enter.
Alright.
How do you have
Then hit program, and then find where there's something called for. That should be under the first option in program.
is that 0? Okay.
So program is actually the fourth option. Someone was smart and made 4 the fourth option. And then put in 4, put N, 1, A, 1. Use commas to separate. So what this is doing is it's creating a variable called N that's going to start at 1 and count it by 1 until it reaches A.
Oh no.
I'm sorry.
You can't.
So N will take on every value from 1 to A. So A is the number that you put in. So the user will put in a number, and then for every number in that,
How do you make it? How do you make a? How do you make a comma?
yeah, there should be a comma button. I don't remember where it is. Yeah, mine's right here.
Okay, you want to go into I.
Oh, okay.
That's a big L.
How do you do a comma? And 1 or L?
So
I
program.
bet it can be.
Next line, if catalog
I can do that.
GCD of NA test equals 1. You're not going to, these are basically the button sequence. So the fourth line of the program, you hit program, then you find if. So that'll print out if. Then hit catalog, which I think is second 0. Check your calculator.
Yeah.
That gives you all the functions you can use. If you hit whatever button a G is on, it'll take you to the G section. And one of the first ones in the G section is GCD. And then type in N and A into GCD. And then test is second math. So if you hit second and then math, it'll take you to test. And then click on the equal sign in that. So second math will take you to test.
That's testing. Oh. Okay. And then.
So if that equals 1,
Where do we go? Catalog. Wait, so if.
So catalog.
GCD.
And wait, how do you get to test? How do you get to test?
GCD. And A.
Oh, I see it.
and then if you can get through this line, you're basically done.
A. How do you get to test? Wait, test.
Test.
Wait, how do you get test?
It's
Second math.
second button.
K plus 1.
Okay, got it.
K plus 1. Yeah. If you get through the if, then the next line is
Test.
program then.
Equals.
The next line is K plus 1 store
What's
K.
the
And
Alright.
program end, program end. Enter. Okay,
Program.
So that's program 7, program 7. Do that twice. And then the last line of the entire program is program. You go over to input output,
Wait, K plus 1 is K. Wait, K plus 1 is K.
disp, and then write A. To execute the program, quit out of the part where you're editing it,